Is Dr. Shweta Goyal, and you are watching the Engineering Master, the finest way to learn the concept of physics and electrical. So here, job in BEL, BEL, BEL Kotdwar for project engineer, trainee engineer, and trainee officer. Okay, so date is has published, that is 25 April for BTech MBA recruitment by Bharat Electronics Limited. Last day to apply is 5th May 2021. So here, Bharat Electronics Limited, a Navratan company, has released the advertisement for the recruitment of trainee and project engineer and trainee officer under various disciplines. The disciplines for electronics, mechanical, computer science, electronics, mechanical, and MBA finance. Okay, so age limit will be as on 1st March 2021. Total there are 15 posts for trainee engineer electronics, 1 post, electronics 3 posts, 25 years maximum, mechanical 2 posts, project engineer computer science, electronics and mechanical 2 posts, and the maximum age is 28 years. Trainee officer MBA finance they required, and 1 post is there, and 25 years maximum. So duration and pay scale: project engineer will be engaged for the initial period of 2 years, including the initial period, which may be expanded up to 4 years based on the project requirement. The consolidated remuneration will be 35,000 per month, for first year, 40,000 per month, second year, and the event of the extension contract then will be the 45,000 and 50,000. Okay, so it means 5,000 per year will be increment. The trainee engineer, trainee officer will be engaged for the initial period 1 year, and then it can be extended up to 3 years based on the project requirement, and the consolidated remuneration will be 25,000, 28,000 and 31,000. Education qualification for full time BTech BSc engineer course is reputed industry university in the following engineer discipline, that is civil, electrical and electronics and mechanical. So you can apply if you have BTech in civil, electrical, electronics and mechanical, and management branch full time MBA finance course. First class in the indicated qualification for general, OBC and EWS candidate, and the second pass class for SC/ST PWD candidate. Okay, selection process will be done by the shortlisting candidate followed by the interview. So there is no written test, only the interview will be there. That will be intimated by the email. How to apply? You have to apply online before 5th May 2021. 10th is you have to enclose your 10th mark sheet, BTech degree, all semester mark sheets, certificates, caste certificate. Okay, the application fees is 500 and 200 for the trainee engineer and officers, and the important dates are 5th May. Important link can be given in the description box. You can directly go there and check the website. So thank you, good day, subscribe and share this channel for more videos.